Want to turn low-resolution images into sharp, high-quality visuals. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Krea AI Upscaler in 2026, step by step, from uploading your image to exporting the final enhanced result. So let's jump right in. First, open Krea AI and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, locate the Upscaler or Enhance tool. Now upload the image you want to improve. It can be an AI-generated image, a screenshot, or any low-resolution photo. Next, choose your upscale level or enhancement strength. Lower settings keep the image closer to the original, while higher settings add more detail and sharpness. Click the Upscale button and let Krea AI process your image. Depending on size and server load, this may take a few seconds. Once it's done, compare the original image with the upscaled version. You should see improved clarity, sharper edges, and better overall detail. If the result looks too sharp or not detailed enough, try adjusting the upscale level and run it again. A small change can significantly improve the outcome. Once you're satisfied, download your upscaled image. You can now use it for social media, presentations, or professional projects without losing quality. And that's how to use the Krea AI Upscaler in 2026. With just a few clicks, you can transform low-quality images into crisp, high-resolution visuals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.